Substitution is the lowest rung on the SAMR model ladder. At this level, technology acts as a direct substitution tool in a lesson. Also at this level, there is no functional change to the lesson. For teachers who are new to integrating technology in the classroom, the substitution level is a good way to get their feet wet and to help increase their comfort level with using technology. However, the ultimate goal is to go above the substitution level. Examples of lessons incorporating the substitution level include using a computer to take notes instead of writing them, completing a worksheet on the computer instead of on paper, the textbook is accessed online, or using an online map application to find a location instead of using a paper map or a globe. To identify whether one of your current lessons uses a substitution level, ask yourself the following question. Could this lesson be completed without the use of technology? If the answer is yes, this would indicate that this lesson is currently at the substitution level. Again, the substitution level of the SAMR ladder is an excellent way for teachers to begin technology implementation, especially if their beginning comfort level is not high. The goal, however, is to strive to incorporate the higher levels of the SAMR model into instruction.